What is good, YouTube fam? Today is a new day, and today we are going to be installing my Serial 9 front upper control arms, and this is what they look like. So I ordered these back in June 10th specifically. I know some people ordered it way more earlier than me and they had to wait bricks, but for me they just arrived on Monday, which was yesterday, so it wasn't too long. No, it wasn't too long of a wait. But these arms basically just replaces the front upper control arm that connects to the spindle. I'll show you once I take everything out, but this will basically help me achieve more camber for the front, which will help me run my wheels that I have in my car, the BSKFs. So yeah, so this is the project for today, and that's pretty much it. While I was working on my car a couple weeks ago, I accidentally overextended the lower control arm on this side, on the driver's side, and my dumb self, it popped the rear axle from the diff, so it's kind of disconnected, but not to the point where, you know, it's like a lot, but you know, it's just like minuscule amount that's been popped out. But I'm not too sure if I can drive it like that. I mean, I drove it back and forth down the driveway and it was alright, but I haven't actually drove it on the street yet, so I'm gonna try to attempt that today. But just wanted to let y'all know that, so might have to be in for another project, which is switching out the diff, but we'll see about that. But here's a quick startup video. Let's just enjoy today's video. Get tired of how loud this sounds now. I used to have a loud Jenny 338 V6, and just hearing this just reminds me of how loud my Jenny was, and it's just pleasing. All right, y'all. So here we're looking at the right side, the passenger side. So the front upper control arm is basically this thing right here, and what you want to do is get this 17 mil castle nut off. And I'm not too sure what size are these. They're probably 17 mil as well, but you're gonna want to take these two bolts out right there as well. And once you get those out, of course, it's gonna be like this brake line right here, and you'll be able to just slide it out. But to pop this loose, you're gonna have to mallet this shit right here. So let's get to the money. Alright, y'all, so it's actually a 14 mil. I just sprayed some WD-40 and I just fuck that shit up, you know what I'm saying? So 14 mil, and just get it off, and then we're gonna start trying to get this shit out right here. So if I didn't explain it well, or if y'all didn't get it in my last video, to pop this shit loose, all I basically did was just like, I hit this part right here, this little hedge, with my 4-pound sledgehammer. So just keep on hitting it, and then you go loose. There you go. Excuse the wound on my finger, but here's the stock front upper Serial 9, and as you can see, there is a pretty big difference. But yep, that's what they look like side by side. Alright, y'all, so I had to loosen up my strut. I had to loosen up my strut in order to like fit the bolt in and stuff like that. So I recommend doing that as well, so you don't have to struggle and fuck anything up. Alright, y'all, so got it all on. Tying this 19 mil right here, and now I just gotta torque these down a little bit, And since I loosened up the strut as well, I have to torque those down as well. But I'm pretty sure I could get more adjustment than that right there. Alright y'all, so once I complete, I thought it would give me more camber than I anticipated, but I guess that's good. Now we're just working on the driver's side, so we'll get into it. Making progress, you know what I'm saying? Alright y'all, so I got it on. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to sit like that. I try to tighten it as far as I can, but it's pretty much farthest it will go. So hoping that's pretty much the tightest. So gotta tighten that as well. But about to test fit this wheel and we'll see how it sits. Well y'all, this is pretty much how it's sitting right now. The toe is kind of off on that one. Well, the toe is actually off on that side, but I measured it. I think it was like -8 or some shit like that, -9. But I swear I thought you could get more out of the Serial 9 front upper control arms. But I guess now I'm gonna need negative roll center adjusters, and those cost a pretty penny. So yeah, that's pretty much the install for today. I guess I'll try to do a little test drive in a minute.
Yeah, just a tad bit. All right, all right, all right. Which way does it tug? Which way does it tug?
I don't know, I couldn't tell.
Oh, shit. What is this?
Alright fam, now we're just about to test drive it up and down the driveway real quick, and maybe if we have time we'll go to the street. I'm not sure, but alright, well, this is the result of just trying to get out the driveway halfway. That's just from the cat themselves. What is up fam? So I forgot to make another closing out video, so now I'm just making one while I'm at home. So from the results of today, I definitely should have cut off the cat when I was cutting off my exhaust. I don't know why I didn't. I guess I was just too scared. But now I'm between either just sending it and driving it like that and letting the flanges and the cats just like scrape itself flat, or I'm debating on actually just raising the car just a tad bit, in which I don't want to do because I like how it's sitting right now. So I'm not too sure what I'm gonna do. You're just gonna have to stay tuned until the next video, but yeah, that was the main concern once I was done with everything. And I honestly thought that you could get more camber from just the Serial 9 camber arms, but apparently I guess that's how much it gives you. I mean, I'm gonna try to fiddle with like the stock camber arms because I didn't really fiddle with that at all. But you know, if I'm not really getting the desired amount, then I'm gonna have to order negative row center adjusters, and I might have to order some custom fabricated front lower control arms, which will be a lot of money. And I'm trying to do all of this before H2O. So I put on the fender while the wheels were on the car, and it was sitting fender to lip actually. Like I could actually probably go even a little bit more lower, but then if I try to go lower, then my cats will just be like kissing the ground basically. So I'm not too sure what the fuck to do. So I mean, I'll figure it all out soon. I'm just now getting caught up with like homework and stuff since class has started. But yeah, stay tuned to the next video. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, and subscribe. So see you on the next video.